What's up, divas, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig review, shockingly. I have a sort of pink wig, I guess it is, that I will be reviewing in this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me just show you what I have. Okay, now I really got desperate when I went out to pick this wig. As always, for the most part, I get my wigs from, a wig shop. Not even a wig shop, from a beauty supply store that sells wigs. Let's put it that way. They have a wig shop inside the beauty supply store. So when I picked this wig up, you can try the wigs on, of course. Now, they did not have anything left, okay? I couldn't get it in a different color. This was all they had, was the floor model. So, of course, what do? They give it to me, I took it as is. I really liked it and I did want it. So I took it as is. It's not in the package like it usually would be, but the tag is still on it. So they did give me probably a $5 discount and a wig cap. Great. But I have the wig, so I will be trying that on. All right, now, I have stepped out in the past, and I have, I did have a bob that had this color, but it was just a little bit that was peeking out. I really liked the color on the top, and then, you know, of course, there was a little bit on the bottom that was peeking out. But I decided I wanted to be a little bit adventurous, and being that it's summer and it's not like I'm really going to work or anything, I can actually play around with this wig, and I think I'm gonna really like it. So I'm gonna do a little quick review of it. It's a really simple wig, so it's not really gonna take a whole lot of time. Let me go ahead and show you the stock card. All right, so this is from Vella Vella. Oh, they got the price on here as well. What did I spend, 29? Okay, so I spent $29 on it, and let's see, can you see that? Okay, so it's Vella Vella, and the style is called Layla. And the color is a TTPK.Gold. All right, so I will leave all that information in the description box for you. Let's see, what are some other things here? More than likely something about you being able to put heat on it. Let me just cut this off, cut the tag off. Okay, so this one has, obviously it has no lace. You just put it on, real simple. Inside the cap is pretty thick. Okay, no combs up in the top. Oh wow, no combs on the side either. Okay, so it just has one, yeah, it just got one, it has one comb, that's it. There's nothing else in here, no other combs. Okay, which is, you know, I don't use the combs because if you're not careful, those combs can take your hair out. So is no love lost there for me with that. Not a biggie. Okay, when I did try it on, I did like it. It did feel comfortable. It was a real simple wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this wig off that I'm wearing right now. Now, if you got a chance to see my video that I did when I went out shopping at the dollar store, okay, I did not have this wig on. I had the wavy wig, okay, and I like the wig. However, as I've said before, I live in Florida and it is hot here. So to have a lot of hair on your head, you know, there's hair on the face, on the neck, on the back, it's a bit too much. I love the waves for the summertime, but if you're in a hot climate, I really just kind of am like, it's too much. I need something that's off of my face, off my neck half the time, but we like the look. So let me go ahead and put this on. Stop all that chit chat. Okay. Oh, I really need to start being a little bit more adventurous and trying. Well, I don't want to go too deep into colors. I mean, no, I don't want to go too, I was about to say, oh, I want to do more colors, but do I really need to do more colors? Pink is good. Pink is good enough for me. I don't think I really need to get too deep into all the other colors. Maybe I'll get a white one at some point. Maybe, that's a big maybe, but I do like this color. For some reason, I really like this color, and I even like this style, and it's so simple. I mean, it's so simple to look at this. I did not have to do any installing. I did not have to cut lace. It's soft on my head. It doesn't feel bad. Okay, let me see. Or now the part. Okay, I'm gonna try to come up closer so that you can see what the part looks like. Okay, I can probably put a little bit of foundation on the part to give it more of a natural look. But I mean, come on, I got pink hair on. What makes you think that I'm gonna dye my actual hair pink? All right, but this is gorgeous for something new and different. I love the style. Okay, and it was real simple to do. All right, now let's see. I can put a little bit of foundation in it so that you can see that. So let's see, did I get rid of my brushes? Let's see, I don't know if I'm gonna have a brush available. I could probably just use this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a brush real quick to put a little foundation. This is not the brush I really wanted. I can't find the brush I really wanted to use. I could swear I've already used the brush, but okay, that's fine. Oh, making a mess. Okay, hopefully this is skinny enough to do this. I'm just gonna put a little foundation on the part. This is really, I'm having to do it. This brush is fatter than what I really wanted. And this part is not that deep. It's not a wide part. Usually the wide parts, they look a little bit more natural in my opinion. All right, I'm almost done. So yeah, I'm just doing a little foundation on the hairline. Okay, just to try and make it look as natural as possible. Okay, there, that wasn't that much. Okay, is that too much? I don't know, in the camera it almost looks like it's a little too much. Okay, let's just dab a little of that off. Don't want to make it too messy. All right. Okay, so what do you think? This is, you know, I do like the shoulder length there. It's just a little bit past the shoulder, actually. I'm gonna turn around so that you can see the back, okay? Okay, but I really like it. It's really jazzy and cute. All right, so this is the, Vella Vella. I think I've done Vella Vella before. But this is cute. I do like it. As I said before, it fits comfortably. It's soft. So if you're interested in this wig, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Now, before I go, I do want to point out something. Normally, when I come on here, I do not like to use the lashes, but today I am wearing the lashes. I was at the dollar store yesterday picking up, just looking to see what they have in the beauty department that's really cool, because I normally don't go to the dollar store for beauty products, okay? But I did decide to pick these up, okay? Lashes, check them out. It's LA Colors Dramatilash, okay? Let me tell you, I pulled these, first off, I thought that they were really long. I thought that they were gonna be too long, but they weren't. I just pulled it off, and the adhesive that was already on there, when I put it on my lash, it was already, it just bonded. I didn't have to use any more glue, which I was really shocked at. So I don't know if you can really see it that well. I think they're pretty big. Okay, but I'm not really into lashes. And the nice thing about it, number one, is it was $1. Okay, so this is perfect for somebody who's really not into lashes. And number two, I didn't have to use the glue. I just put it on and it stuck, which was shocking. Okay, and they're not uncomfortable. They're light and they're perfect because all I have to do is just take that off later on and just put it away. And like I said before, they were not uncomfortable. So definitely check those out. I'll leave that in the description box. But I mean, just go to the dollar store. Shockingly, I was shocked. I was really shocked, okay? I'd rather do that because I know that I'm gonna take them off quickly. I'm not wearing them for a long time and then I'm tossing them. So $1 is not that bad. I can do that, okay? So I hope that you liked my video. Guys, if you liked my content, please be a member of the Divas, okay? Be a member of my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and definitely don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications. I try my best to upload every Saturday, okay? Plus I do throw in a couple of other videos throughout the week whenever I can. So with that being said, don't want to make this too long. I guess I will see you. If you like my content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.